Big up Crossy Stevie.
Practice Stevie, catch your one, you know. Liquor girl, don't go over the disrespect line. Go and buy a bathing rag and a soap. I can bring the bad pan.
Yeah, good bet my black class sleep on New York, you know. Emily, me not crossing neighbor, yeah, you know. Emily, a good bet me sleep on New York, you know, Emily. Emily, stinky dinky black clot girl, me not living in a keep me not sleep on just you know. Dirty blood clot girl, where come to me tonight for? Me have time to send the colors for your dirty thinking not blood clot. Gingivitis not blood clot. Emily, we're trying to up your drives them and them Chris no blood clot. You drive them Chris like just ask and Cam blood clot, bro. It dirty girl. Shannon show me a blood clot jazz up our yard. Jackass can and the Cam blood clot, bro. It's stinky dinky blood clot, girl. And me a blood clot come for. Hey, girl, from December, New York blood clots. Doctor, I look for you. I call them block that blood clot phone. Emily, on a little, on a pretty, on a underneath a tush. Emily, on a little, on a pretty, on a underneath a tush. On a underneath a pen. And what you stinky dinky blood clot, girl? You're young, are you pretty, are you underneath a bus? Gun no blood clot, tune. Don't mess with my toot. I say your pussy a walk a shoot no blood clot. Emily, at December you use blood clot, black dot. And when I come to you, you're the pan. Black that use insurance November. Black that use blood clot insurance November. Everything good with black that blood. You, hey, so nice, some bum girl in foreign now. You use blood clot, black that insurance December. And blood clot right in the car, black that. You, dinky Emily, Josh. Batty boy, Josh, how we all get it blood clot technical. You use blood clot, black that. Insurance December. And New York blood clot, Ministry of New, where the blood clot place, I call them black that phone. I tell her to come for a syphilis medication. She need to come get joke in her bottom. And black that said, I don't know what you're talking about. And I said to you, Emily, oh, if you use black that medication, insurance, got blood clot doctor. My girl and I think, no black that, say, the people not call her. Stinky, the people not call her. When the blood clot people not call the woman, oh, you're diagnosed with syphilis. Please come and get medication. And if you don't, we're gonna have to hand you over to the police because we don't want you to inoculate it in New York. Stinky dinky blood clot, girl. Yeah, the DOH them a look for you. The DOH them a look for your nasty blood clot. Emily with the syphilis in your pussy. Stinky dinky Emily, gingivitis in your mouth. And your pussy I walk with blood clot syphilis. Whether your hand them full of red spot in blood clot and boy your tummy in. When the syphilis are backfire by your blood clot. And what you stinky dinky blood clot, Emily. And what you nasty Emily come to my blood clot tonight again. Them second Charlie up here. Emily, them second as a Charlie up upon me. Them second as a Charlie up in blood clot upon me. Them second as a Charlie up upon me. Them second as a blood clot Shirley, but up upon me stinky dinky blood clot, girl. Dirty syphilis pussy girl, them second as a Shirley up upon me. Emily, me know Spire live some in the Africa come on 51 North Street. Me know Spire blood clot live some in the Africa come on 51 North Street. Me know Africa come on a madman blood clot crackhead Pebbles yard. Cause Pebbles have a problem cause me don't want our friendship. Cause me don't want a cross in a family. Me want to tech telling. So when I talk to them blood clot here. Pebbles members say the money where I make the blood clot dance, me have to grab the blood clot bag. Members are Sunday, I'm going to buy your furniture them. Because every minute you call, cause catch up that somebody at 200 for me. I say, oh, so I say, Shannon, say if I keep the money I go down, I just run go to the furniture store then. Thank God for aliyah. Thank Pebbles. Thank God for aliyah. So take the money and go buy your good things with your blood clot. Us mad hot crackhead girl. Me don't want a friend from you. Me don't want a friend for your Pebbles. Remember me and I talk over 3 weeks now. Me don't look for your blood clot. I already post up on Instagram and me I repost it. I told me now I come out publicly for many people know say me ain't a friend. Why you on this stinky dinky syphilis pussy girl? Where mouth a gingivitis? Emily mouth teeth. Emily have one breasts on her teeth. Emily the hungry girl will have one cold on her stomach. Summer, winter, autumn, and blood clot spring. I went outside at 85 degrees. Emily have one cold on her stomach. Where she have to walk with napkin for spitting her dirty, nasty, sick stomach batty man. Emily with the Chris, with the draws them Chris. Shannon showed me one bag and said, come here, sister. Hey, Shannon, if you're upon a life, you know what I tell. Shannon showed me one bag. And Shannon said, sister, watch here. Sister, Emily panted on me, you know? I said, Shannon, stop. Don't make my niece like that, man. Sister, look how them panty. Your body I shoot, I shoot cheese. Me think a woman pussy shoot, bring out cheese, but your body I shoot cheese. Your body and your body, Emily, I shoot cheese. Stinky dinky, your body and your body, I shoot blood clot, I shoot cheese. You jars them cheese up no blood clots. One scandal bag full of jars. Emily, you're the under blood clot, you wear underpants with dress and in the 80s they'll come out. In the nowadays, you wear underpants with blood clot jars. Why your blood clot? Why with me look at y'all? Y'all look on class pan blood clot like Emily. Anything you depend me depend that blood clots. Any germs about it, girl. Anything you depend me depend that Emily. Come here. Emily, guess what? Me go down the road with you. And me go drink a cup of water. And me go back down the road with you. And then me go back down the road with you, Emily. Cause guess what? Me are in the same category of blood clot. Me a top girl. You want to be like me. Emily, everything you see me do, you follow. Every slang you see me with, you follow. Emily, me not step down. You're just supposed to step down because you don't make no sense. Me not step down. Me a top blood clot, girl. Me in a athlete long time. I me never flop. Emily, you don't make no sense. Emily, you're never gonna go buy one good suit of clothes yet, Emily. Stay where you're at. Because you're not in a no league for blood clots. One step up with no girl. I thought them road pretty girl and Bam Bam beanie clothes they wear no blood clot. Dirty germs the pussy girl. Girl we have your pussy a shit blood clot. I spit trees. Nasty frowns in the cook girl. I want them blood clot to send upon me germs. Germs I want them send though. Send upon me and take me now go answer your blood clot when I talk. Cheesy pussy. Me say Shannon. You know. Me not telling a lie for your dirty, jaundice blood clot body, syphilis body. Look how much sickness Emily alone I walk with. Emily, syphilis in your blood, gingivitis in your mouth. You see what that's going on? Chlamydia in your blood. You so much things that our moms have in your blood, no blood clot. Emily, when Shannon hear the pod, Shannon the pan sit there, your teeth down the whole road for your money and I got teeth I'm a cold medicine. Emily, your teeth down the whole road for your money and I got teeth a cold medicine. Hey, I got shoot up a cold medicine. You have a bad cold and that when outside hot the cold lick down your blood clot. Hey girl, go knock you with a cold medicine. Hey girl, go drink a blood clot cold medicine. You right now blood clot. I want your gingivitis mouth, girl. Me busy, me never know any cholesterol in a blood clot problem. You had to pay your life, I call my blood clot name. I'm about technical. Emily, me not pay your blood clot name. Me not have to come in a 51 North Street. Me not call out the address, but me you shall walk in that building. Dirty blood clot, girl, you're bright. Nasty girl, your blood clot bright. You're out of there, you can't talk in a blood clot talk. After you know a secret for me. After you know a blood clot secret for me. It dirty blood clot, girl. Germs, girl. Syphilis pussy, girl. Chlamydia pussy, girl. I used to know when your friend attack, she said, she see this something by your skin. And you tell her, say, blood clots. What is something name? You tell her, say, I'm a tummy in. And she just leave it alone, but she knows there's something wrong with the inside. And that's a friend tell me now. And that's a blood clot friend tell me now. She said the red vein, scaly looking something in your skin, so she knows something wrong with the blood. And you tell her your tummy in. Syphilis pussy girl. You make blood clot, DOH, I called on my grandniece like that. Say, come for your medication. And black like the I did not use my insurance on December. How it come down to this? But me use my insurance November. And them email, them send me a wait and tell me some good. So how it come down to this? When your blood clot look, black that say, but hold on, just see car. We shouldn't use my insurance December. Syphilis in your blood, Emily. Syphilis in your blood. Me no HIV, ASO. Me no gonorrhea, BASO. And me no gingivitis, DASO. Me clean the blood clots. Stinky dinky dead dog link. Use a stinky dinky dead dog link, dirty Emily. But some you go down any mountain road you want go down. Any mountain road you want go down there, go down that blood clot. Cause you come like you have my ticket. My blood clot get out for you can't come life and get problem with me. Cause when you don't live nowhere, you're not getting a blood clot problem with me. But you make you one room in our apartment and you buy a bed, you just feel like you have time to argue with me. And you're not in my class. You're not in my blood clot class when you walk with a handbag, with every stop you stop, you have a suit of clothes and the jackets can't turn to them, where the crutches them stiff no blood clot and can't broke. You never had no problem with me. But now you're in a blood clot problem with me. Me they go for your life and tell you to leave me alone. And you never in a problem with me. So now me tell you, say, girl, why you take my phone and go in a argument, in a problem? Yeah, cause you have me up for something. I mean, I may have syphilis the same. Me done that no DOH now look for me. My blood clot doctor them know me. Because my uncle take my blood clot pill, germs. Me take my blood clot pill, me not take no other else pill. Me not know what is Vitarvic. I did not pill them on the blood clot have. Me don't know what is this. God take your drug them for your syphilis will take over your body in a blood clot. And the gingivitis, you see the wire them. The cut of them when your blood clot mouth, when wrap around so, when it touch the gum red like blood, no blood clot. You need for God a real dentist when the doctor take off the wire for your teeth. Because it affect up there so. That's the upper so can red and like blood. So gingivitis eat out your mouth. Shannon tell me. Shannon say, you know, see the condition of your mouth here now by 2 PS. Look for the condition of your mouth, Emily, now by blood clot Listerine. Look for the condition of your mouth here now by cold medicine. Girl, the cold for your stomach. I went outside like fire. Your stomach can mash up with cold. Where you get that cold from, Emily? You don't look like you. We're going to get it technical now in the blood clot. Because you pass your blood clot, please. I don't know nothing about your blood clot, Nicholas. I don't know nothing about your Nicholas. Your contact. Bitch! Any client you say, bitch, come good with that blood clot. Anything you want come with, come good with that germs the body, jog up, batty boy. Cause you're not blood clot in the body. Me a top blood clot, girl, and a long time me a do it. You can't match up with me. Me know everything me you want blood clot, enough of yourself. You hear me say me now step down, you now step down. Bitch, you make sense to step down. You make sense to stay up. You wear blood clot clothes to stay up. Germs in the body, girl. You wear blood clot clothes. You know what is blood clot clothes? Because jog up, batty boy. You know what is clothes? I mean a blood clot, yeah, I or something, everything is somebody you want to do. I would have trained a blood clot, tell us everything aliyah do you want to do. You say aliyah upload so she do her foot, you run, go in a place and do foot. You say aliyah start got Jordan go do her ear. You run, come around, Jada start the ear. Everything you say aliyah do you want to do. Bitch up the size up with me. Me a top your long blood clot time. A long time me make blood clot sense. Me never flop yet, ask anybody. I remember going for a month or two. Me never put down your blood clot. Because one thing with me, save a little. Now curious to me about the expensive clothes them. If me not have more than what me have, me not buy a blood clot. And there's a thing, there's a catch in America. Buy like 10,000 outfit and carry it back and get back your money. So there I'm from a bitch and now do not know what me do. Cause for them road they go. Your picture poster down for them road that is cheap clothes na blood clot. You see a tacky. Batty boy, stop follow up my blood clot from the Emily. None of nothing. Germs alert. Batty boy. Cause you don't get it in no blood clot class. You know what I mean? Stop going like say you follow me come talk about blood clot. Bitch, Mr. Emily, me now come on a 51 now treat me know from me I come. Bitch, me you shall go on that blood clot road. I hope your blood clot win. I hope your blood clot win, bitch. Me say I hope your blood clot win. Cause you text it from my name too much. You text it from my name ragged 11 dirty 12 jog up batty boy. Jog up batty blood clot boy. You text it from my name too much. You think me sleep on blood clot sleep like a batty boy. You think me not sleep better sleep on? Dirty boy, I pump on my roommate. Batty boy, stop following me up. Me in a different category for you nasty, low life, dirty batty boy, blood clot. I say more, when I come to America, one blood clot house, I steer the house till I leave. I want a dirty blood clot, girl. I want us to say I walk on backside, but I'm going to walk with handbag with clothes on that blood clot and Chris underpants. Because you're batty, you say your woman wear underpants and underdress. I want a nasty batty boy. You come blood clot follow me. I never know who say you're wishing. Hey, you see you blood clot Pebbles, I say me not like you. Pebbles, that's why I'm not like you. And this one I tell you, mother. Mr. Bam Bam, Mr. Tash, me not like a bone na Pebbles. Bone na rich man. Me eat your blood clots. Family enemy boy. Me eat. Yeah. When me tell you Pebbles, me not like a bone na your blood clots. Remember me tell you. Ya talk. Bitch, thank God for me. Thank God for blood clot me. My run got blood clot. Cause send 200 to the cash up here. Send 200 to the cash up. Someone say, Shannon, me a do man bag of money. The woman don't have no furniture. The woman don't have a sofa. She don't have nothing on her together. Every minute, me notice, she call me. Send 200 to the person. Send 200 to the person. Me not understand this. I say no one, but I call her. I say, hey, me no want furniture store. Cough around me. Me no want a blood clot cough around me. So what the blood clot here follow me up arrangement coming on a friend from you. Your family blood clot enemy. I me no want a friend from you. I'm let go your blood clot. Leave me now, my girl. Batty boy, I don't leave me a blood clot. Look, I'm in the same class now. I stop my dick up with you now. Call me a top blood clot, girl, and you say my name make sense. Me make sense long blood clot time. You don't know reach no when my blood clot reach you not damage what I do. Not rock me, not doing, not match up with me. So the blood clot not come follow me up. You and this big doctor John this body blood clot, Josh. You bright na blood clot, you come. Yeah, me not say I come flip on your film. I come pan live, I come a blood clot in. I want you dinky Emily. 3 weeks ago, you put on my phone, have a blood clot there. Bitch, I told me I want to go down to something. I told me I want to get it to really take me blood clot call. Stop following me up. You know one, yo. Stop follow me up, stinky dinky. Syphilis body girl. Where you make blood clot, you look for like that. Stop follow blood clot me up. You know one, yo. Coming out blood clot, trouble in the germs body girl. You notice I don't block you from my Instagram. I don't do nothing. I leave there alone because I know it say you're going to do it again. And you're going to do it again. And I look for a girl and black neck girl. I want to just do it. I want to do no damage. I want to know what I want to do. And that is it. Me not in no more argument to them now. Germs the body girl, syphilis body girl. They say every day I come with something new. You see, every day I come with something new. Me and you know something like me, I tell. Because me and you know something. You let borrow black that insurance. You're coming to America with America free. The prof no one to look about nothing. Till you take black. Always got to talk about him and insurance to look about myself. Eh? It got to get blood clot technical. I want the blood clot there. I made a problem, bitch. Me in a nut class. Me a tap girl for you. Emily in my class. Nothing in my class, Emily. You can't tell me nothing. Because you have zero color blood clot, right? Yeah, the only can. Mrs. Shannon show me